Hey there, laundry lovers! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things home appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of convenient laundry solutions with what we believe is the best automatic washing machine on the market. Get ready to say goodbye to the laundromat and hello to hassle-free laundry days. Introducing the Auertech portable washing machine, the ultimate laundry companion for dorms, apartments, RVs, and beyond. With its innovative design and powerful performance, this compact washer is a game-changer for anyone looking to simplify their laundry routine. Let's talk capacity. With a generous 28-pound twin-tub design, this machine lets you wash and dry your clothes simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Don't let its size fool you. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to fit into tight spaces like bathrooms or closets. Now, let's get technical. Equipped with a 1300 RPM powerful motor, this washer gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Plus, its transparent window allows you to keep an eye on the washing and spinning process, giving you peace of mind. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to drainage woes with the built-in drain pump. You can easily choose where to drain the water, whether it's to a higher position or a more convenient location. No more hassle, just seamless operation. What about ease of use? This machine's got you covered. With separate time controls and a simple control panel, doing your laundry is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Plus, its high-quality PP body ensures durability and longevity, so you can count on it for years to come. Now, let's talk about time-saving benefits. With a washing cycle of up to 15 minutes and a spinning cycle of up to 5 minutes per load, you'll breeze through your laundry in no time. And with its space-saving design, it's perfect for those with limited space. So there you have it, folks, the Auertech portable washing machine, your ticket to stress-free laundry days. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews. Until next time, happy washing. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. See you in the next video.